warm round of applause. This is an astounding Title IV show. Please welcome Dame Beehive, Resilient Astrology Advisement.
Greetings, Earthlings. I'm Dame Beehive Brucie. I've come all the way here to help read your astrology. I have performed astrological readings in places like Belgrade, Saskatoon, and Ipswich, to name a few. I grace your presence today with over 50 years of astrological prowess. If you're seeing this now, it was meant for you. I know you better than you know you. I know you better than you know you. That's astrology. If there's anyone here that doesn't belong, you know because you don't believe in astrology. So get out. Okay, everybody take a deep breath. Okay, let's do this together. Take a deep breath and center yourselves. Okay, ready? Okay, so, are there any Aquarius in the audience? How's that aging going for you? There's no business like star business. There's no business, I know. Okay, so it's already been mentioned in this show that some of you worship the stars on the ground of Hollywood Boulevard, and some of you worship the stars and the celestial beings. Is that true? Maybe some of you belong to both. Well, whatever it is, you're probably wrong. So, is there anybody else here that thought that no capping meant no Capricorns? Because I did. But it turns out there's Capricorns here too. And, well, has anybody heard of Gemini? Anybody? How do you know about him and I? That was 20 years ago! Okay, so I want to do an astrological reading for each and every single one of you in this audience right now, okay? So have you all heard of something called your mind's eye? Some people call it a third eye, but I think that's very ableist because not everybody has even two eyes. So, your mind's eye, located maybe for some of you in the center of your forehead. Okay, let's concentrate for a moment. I want you all to close your eyes. We're going to open your third eye, or your mind's eye, all of us together. Are you ready? Okay, close your eyes and take a deep breath. Okay, another inhale. It's the California fires, you know. Okay, all right, now that your eyes are closed, and I see that you're all paying attention with your third eye. Open your third eye and